Yo, yo, yo! New codes in the Easter Kaiser update. Let me actually show you all the egg locations, because if you open up your egg locations, you can actually find eggs. There's a premium one, okay? There's a premium one as well. If you would like to have the Easter Kaiser, make sure you guys comment down below Easter Kaiser. Easter Kaiser. Easter Kaiser. Make sure you guys comment down below Easter Kaiser if you would like to have one of these packs. I'll be gifting 5 of these away to you guys, so you can actually have yourself some Easter packs as well, which is pretty cool. But if you need to have all the egg locations, they're right here, okay? They're right here, and you can actually claim yourself the new limited UGC. So you can claim yourself the limited UGC if you would like to have all these eggs collected. That is very cool. But how do you collect these eggs? You simply find them in the match. In every single map you join, there will be some eggs scattered around, and you'll be able to collect all of these eggs in the maps, pretty much in the maps, and you can actually collect all of them, get yourself a bunch of eggs, and eventually unlock this limited time UGC. So that is very cool. Every single map will have some eggs scattered around them, so you just gotta keep looking, okay? Just gotta keep looking, and you eventually get all of them.